I got this solar light sent to me at no cost for the purpose of this review. So let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box and check it out. All right, so in the box, we have the manual that tells you how to use this. It comes with a light. It does have the motion sensor on it. This is the solar panel that you would hook up to the light. And it has this little end here that's waterproof and would connect to that. It's got two mounting brackets for the back of these devices, the light and the solar panel. And it's got two brackets here where you would mount that to your house or your shed or wherever it is you want to put those. It comes with a set of anchors and screws. And then these are the tightening screws that you would use to tighten down these little legs that connect to the solar panel and the light. Closer look at this light. Shows you it's got a lot of LEDs in here. It has, again, this little motion sensor bubble. Here is the on and off switch. As you can see, it's pretty bright. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this, let this charge for a day, and then see how well this lights up the area. All right, so I installed the brackets here that go to the solar lights. I put one here, and then I wanted the south-facing sun, so I put a bracket here on the side of our shed, and that should be enough to light it up, and then I can just come back and hide the wires. So let me get this installed. All right, and now I got the light mounted in the front of our shed here. I think that looks great there. And I'm just gonna wait until it gets a little darker to see the effect. But I have just the wire ran here. I am gonna drill another hole and run it through the back, but I wanna test all of this first. And then if you come over here, you'll see the solar panel mounted here. I'm gonna test it when it gets darker. It's getting pretty dark outside, and that light shines a whole lot of light on the backyard, gives a really nice look back here, and adds that extra security. As you can see now, it turned off, and if it gets any motion detection, as I just started walking toward it, turns back on and lights up the area. Very cool. I really like it. Provides a lot of light. Gets a thumbs up from me. I hope this review was helpful. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.